How to make a bundle on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make a bundle on Mercari. Now before I go further, I must let you know that making a bundle on Mercari is similar to selling or listing an item on Mercari. Alright, just that in making a bundle, you'd have to make a bundle or a list of items. You have to upload the list of items that you want to make as a bundle. And how do you do that? Log in into your Mercari account, and then once you are logged in, move to the top right corner where you can see the option sell. All right, just click on that, or you might see the option list an item. It means the same thing. So once you click on that, you'll be taken to the page where you can now upload details about the items that you want to make a bundle. So once you've agreed on the items, just create a new listing. Like I said, click on sell, and then once you're on the listing page, the next step will be for you to take photos of each item. All right, take photos of each item and then one group photo showing all items together. This shows that the item that you are trying to sell is a bundle. All right, and then determine a price for the entire bundle. Okay, it's always a good idea to offer a discount compared to buying each item separately. This will attract more buyers. And then give a detailed description of all items included in the bundle. You must note that if you do not give a detailed description of all items included, Mercari might block your account, might restrict your account, and you might not be able to post any of the items. So ensure you give a detailed description. And then once you're happy with the listing, publish it and notify the buyers so that they can purchase it. So that is it, okay? Bundling is a great way to move multiple items quickly, so ensure you make use of this feature well on Mercari. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good sale.